Taking a screenshot may seem simple on your phone but can be more involved on a desktop computer, especially with Windows 11. But don't worry, we'll show you how to take a screenshot on Windows 11, and stick around for a bonus tip on recording your screen in Windows 11. So let's get started. For most Windows 11 computers, using the print screen key is the straightforward way to capture a screenshot. Locate the print screen key on your keyboard, and press it. But if you want to capture only the active application, press Alt along with the print screen key. On some laptops, you may also need to hold down the FN key while pressing print screen key. Next, open Microsoft Paint, paste the captured screen by right-clicking, and selecting Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl with V key. Save the image by selecting File and choose Save As, or Save from the menu bar or by pressing Ctrl and S key. Alternatively, if you want to share the screenshot immediately in an email or chat, you can paste it directly, but the screenshot won't be saved locally on your computer. If you prefer automatic saving of screenshots, you can simultaneously press the Windows key and the print screen key. On some laptops, you may also need to hold down the FN key along with the print screen key. The screen will briefly dim, and the screenshot will be automatically saved to the Pictures folder within the Screenshots subfolder. You can also use the print screen key in conjunction with OneDrive. Click the OneDrive icon on the right side of your taskbar, tap on Help and Settings, and select Settings. Under the Backup tab, check the Automatically Save Screenshots iCapture to OneDrive option under Screenshots. Now press the print screen key to capture the screenshot. OneDrive will provide a notification confirming that the screenshot has been saved. To view the screenshot, go to OneDrive, click Personal, and select Pictures. Your saved screenshot will now be in the Screenshots folder, and you may also be prompted to opt into this method the first time you press the print screen key, which allows you to skip manually enabling Cloud Sync for your screenshots. Another option is to use the snipping tool. Press the Windows key with Shift and S or the dedicated snipping tool key. If the snipping tool key is a function key, you may also need to press the FN key. The screen will dim, and the snipping tool menu will appear at the top. Choose between rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip based on your preference. After making your selection, Windows 11 will inform you that the snip is copied to the clipboard, and click it to open the screenshot in the snipping tool, edit or annotate the screenshot using the available tools. Now tap on the floppy disk icon in the top right to save the screenshot to your computer. At this stage you can rename the file, and choose the format. You can also assign the print screen button to open the snipping tool by heading to Accessibility in Settings, clicking on Keyboard, and turning on Use the print screen button to open screen snipping. But if you have the Xbox game bar, you can use it as a capture tool by pressing the Windows key and G together. The Xbox game bar overlay will appear, and you'll find a floating window labeled Capture on the upper left side. The capture window will now display the active window in the bottom pane. To capture the entire screen, ensure that no specific window is active, and click the camera icon to capture a screenshot. You'll receive notification confirming that the screenshot has been saved. And to view your screenshot, navigate to the C drive, and locate the user's folder. Click on your username, select Videos, and open the Captures folder. You can also use a third-party screenshot app, such as Snagit, to take a screenshot. Open Snagit, and click the red Capture button. Alternatively, click on the Snagit icon in your toolbar, and choose either All-in-One or Image to capture your screen. If you select All-in-One, you'll have the option to capture an image, video, or panoramic view after selecting your capture area. And as a token of appreciation for staying with us until the end, here's a bonus tip on how to record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, head to the Insert tab, and select Screen Recording from the Media section. On the overlay that pops up, toggle on Audio and Record Pointer, and click Select Area. Use the Select tool to choose the area you want to record. If you want to record the entire screen, press Windows key, Shift, and F. Now click Record to start recording. Use the Stop button to stop the recording or press Windows key, Shift, and Q. The video will be added to the slide, right-click the added clip, and click Save Media As. Now name the file, and click Save. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, explore our complete playlist of tutorials about Windows.